Dear student, I am Babasaheb Vasantrao Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya Uttur. Today we discuss about standard 10th subject maths part 1 chapter 1st. Chapter name is linear equation in two variables. Today we discuss about Cramer's rule. Let us start. Today we discuss about determinant, vertical line, and this also vertical line indicate determinant sign. In determinant, A, B, C, D are the numbers. This is a determinant of four numbers. That numbers are A, B, C, and D. Here, which are the two rows? First, A and B lie in first row and C and D lie in second row. Here A, B and C, D are rows, and which are the columns? A and C. A and C is the line vertical line, and B and D lie on vertical line, means that are the columns. A and C and B and D are two columns. The degree of the determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each column and two elements in each row. In each row, first row, two elements. In second row, two elements. In first column, two elements. In second column, two elements. Therefore, the degree of the determinant is 2. The determinant represent a number which is AD minus BC. That determinant represent a number. That number getting by cross multiplication, means A and D multiplication. A multiply to D minus B multiply to C. That is the number. Here A multiplied to D and minus B multiplied to C, multiplication is BC, and subtraction we get a number. Here are the letters, therefore we can't do subtraction. Therefore AD minus BC is the value of the determinant. We solve question. Find the values of the following determinants. First determinant is given and its solution we find here. First multiplication is 5 into 4 minus next multiplication which we write here 7 into 2. What we get here multiplication? Multiplication is 5 4s are 20 minus multiplication is 7 2s are 14. What we get? Subtraction. Subtraction we get here 6 That is the answer of first determinant. Then second question is, next determinant is given, which is the first multiplication, which numbers are multiplied. -4 into 3 minus what we write here, -2 into 16. -2 is the negative value into 16. Multiplication is -4 3s are 12, 16 2s are 32, and minus minus becomes plus. Then what is the answer? Opposite sign indicate subtraction. Subtraction we get 20, larger number sign positive. That is the value of that determinant. Next asking question, which multiplication we write here? -3 into 4 minus what we write here, 5 into 2. Then what we get multiplication? -4 3s are 12 minus multiplication is 5 2s are 10. Then what we get answer here? Similar sign indicate addition. Addition we get 22, and sign is remaining, that is the value of that determinant. Today we discuss about third method, that is Cramer's rule or determinant method. In previous video we discuss about two methods, that are elimination method first, and second is graphical method. By that two methods we can solve simultaneous equations and we find the values of x and y. Here also solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. We use here Cramer's rule, and today we discuss simple method of Cramer's rule, which are the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x are a1 and a2, denoted by Roman number first. Which are the coefficient of y? That is b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y, denoted by Roman number second. Which are the constants? Constants are c1 and c2, that denoted by Roman number 3. If equations are given, then convert that equation in the form of a1 ax plus by is equal to constant. Then and then we can use that simple method of Cramer's rule. For using Cramer's rule, first, second, third, and second, first, third. When we use Cramer's rule, then always remember first, second, third. second, first, third. That are the simple formula for Cramer's rule. Upon 1, we write coefficient of x. Which are the coefficients? A1 and A2. A1 and A2. Here also Roman number 1, we write A1, A2. Which are the coefficient of y? B1 and B2. Here second, B1, B2. Roman number second, that are the coefficient of y. Then third means constant. Which are the constants? C1 and C2. Then that columns, first two columns indicated by determinant, second two columns indicated by determinant, next two columns indicated by determinant, this denoted by D, second determinant denoted by dx, third determinant denoted by dy. Then D is equal to determinant then what is the multiplication? A1 into B2, A1 B2 minus, which are the multiplication? B1 into A2. Then dx is equal to this determinant we write here. First multiplication is C1 into B2 minus next multiplication is B1 into C2. Then dy is equal to this third determinant then first multiplication is A1 into C2 minus next multiplication is C1 into A2. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to formula dx divided by d, substitute values and find the answer. Then y is equal to formula dy divided by d, substitute values, find the answer. Therefore x and y are the values and this is the solution. This is the method of solution for finding solve the simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. We solve here example. That example is given. We write here constant on RHS side and second equations constant 5 on RHS side. Which are the coefficient of x? 3 and 4 are the coefficient of x denoted by Roman number 1. Which are the coefficient of y? -4 and plus 3 is the coefficient of y denoted by Roman number 2. Which are the constant? 10 and 5 are the constants denoted by Roman number 3. Then we solve these simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. For using Cramer's rule, first, second, third, second, first, third. That is the simple form for using Cramer's rule. First, we write, first means coefficient of x. Which are the coefficient of x? 3 and 4 are the coefficient of x. Here also Roman number 1, 3 and 4 are the coefficient of x. Second means coefficient of y. Which are the coefficient of y? Minus 4, 3. We write here minus 4, 3. Here also we write minus 4, 3. Which are the constants? 10 and 5 are the constants. 10, 5. Here also 10, 5. Then first two columns indicated by determinant, second two columns indicated by determinant, and last two columns indicated by determinant. First denoted by which letter? D. Second determinant denoted by which letter? That is dx. And third determinant denoted by which letter? That is dy. First, that d determinant, we find the value. Then which numbers we multiply here? First, 3 into 3 minus which numbers multiply here? This minus 4 into 4. This minus 4 is negative, therefore we write in bracket into this 4. What we get here? Multiplication. Multiplication is 9. This multiplication is 4 4s are 16, minus minus plus. Then addition we get 25. Then next dx, that determinant we write here. Then which numbers multiply first here? That is 10 into 3 minus which numbers we multiply here? That is minus 4 into 5. This minus 4 negative, we write in bracket. Then what we get? Multiplication. 10 3s are 30. What we get? Multiplication. 5 4s are 20. And which sign we write here? Minus minus plus. What we get? Addition. Addition we get 50. Then dx dy we write here. That dy determinant we get here. Which numbers first we multiply here? 3 and 5. 3 into 5 minus which numbers we multiply here? That is 10 into 4. What we get? Multiplication. 5 3s are 15 minus what we get? Multiply here. 10 4s are 40. Then do subtraction. Subtraction we get minus 25, larger number sign we write here. Then therefore by Cramer's rule, x is equal to which formula we get here? dx upon d. Substitute values. Value of dx is 50 divided by value of d is 25. Then divide here. 25 2s are 50. Y is equal to what we get formula here? dy upon d. What is the value of dy? Value of dy is minus 25. What is the value of d? Value of d is 25. Divide here. 25 1 is 25 and this minus sign we write here. Therefore x and y are the variables. First value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 1 is the solution. This is the method of solving simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Solve the test. There are 2 questions and their answers are also given. Solve and check the answer. Dear student, please like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.